Hello everyone. Now in this video we will discuss that how to create a database in OpenOffice. For this firstly you will have to move to your OpenOffice icon, click on it, then choose the database option. Now it will display the dialog box in front of you. There are the two steps. In your first step select database, we have to, if you want to create a new database then you will select this option. But if you want to open an existing database, suppose my database is already being created by me and I want to open an existing database, then you will click on open button. You will select this radio button, then click on open. Now choose the path where the file is being saved on your system, then select the file and then click on open. Now it will display the forms before you. Now, if you want to create a new database, in that case, you will move to the again open office, then database. Now you will select the create a new database. Now click on the next button. Whenever you will click on next button, it will ask you whether you want to register your database or not. You can opt any of the two options here. I am just taking the yes, it's a default selection. And similarly, open the database for editing because after saving the database, I want to edit that database also. If you want to do some changes, so we will select this option and then click on finish. When we will click on finish button, then it will ask the path where do you want to save the file. Now select the path where you want to create your file. Suppose I want to create the database here for OpenDB. I'm just keeping the name of my database OpenDB and then save it. Then it will open the home window of your database. Now in this home window, you can see there are the different parts of this home window. First one, the title bar, which is being displayed at the top of this window. In this title bar, you can see that the name of the file, that is opendb.odb, that is being given, and minimize maximize button, these buttons are being given. So this is the title bar. Similarly, at the bottom of this file, you can see here that is the embedded database SQL HSQL database engine. This is a status bar. Below the title bar, there is a menu bar that contains a number of menus. In below this menu bar, it is a standard toolbar. Now in this standard toolbar, you can see here, this is the task window pane. Task window pane. That means on which task you are working. In this task window pane, it will show you the different submenus of your components. There are the main four components onto your window, that is tables, queries, forms, and reports. If I will select tables, then it will show me the tasks that comes under tables. Similarly, if I select queries, then you will see that it will get changed. Now check it. Now you can see that the queries, that task is being changed. Similarly for forms and reports. All of these are the four main components of your OpenOffice database. Now, this is your task pane on which task you are working. And whenever you will save all of these things, suppose you are creating a number of tables into your tables component, then those tables will be displayed here. Similarly, those query you will create it, that will be displayed at this area. Now, whenever you are moving your mouse onto your components, you can see that the description about each of the component is being given at the right side of the window. For example, create query in design view, it is writing here, create a query by specifying by filters, input tables, field names, and properties for sorting or grouping. That means it is just used to create the table in which you can apply this type of things. You can create the queries in which you can apply, either you want to select it, you may group it, any type of query you can create in this view. So there are the different parts of your home window. So whenever you want to close it, then you will just close the button and then close it. Still, if you have any query regarding the creation of the database, then you may ask the question in the chat box. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.